Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your OnePlus account is active on the phone. This links cloud features to your device. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection because initial sync uploads can be large. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts, select OnePlus Cloud and tap Sign in if necessary. You'll be prompted for credentials and 2FA if set. Follow those prompts. This first step registers your device and prepares the cloud for backup and sync. You now choose what to back up and why. Photos for recovery, contacts to keep numbers, messages for history, and settings for quick device restore. Tap Backup and Sync, then toggle categories on or off. This controls storage use and upload time. Once you enable categories, make sure to set auto sync frequency and enable Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data. If duplicates or conflicts appear, pick the preferred source. That prevents unintended overwrites. You finish by testing a restore so you know the process. Open OnePlus Cloud, choose Restore, select the data type and restore point, and confirm. Then manage storage by reviewing usage and upgrading if you anticipate more uploads. Make sure automatic backups are enabled for peace of mind. If sync or restore fails, clear the OnePlus Cloud app cache, sign out and reauthorize the account, then retry. That fixes most token or cache issues. Contact support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.